Good life for living up. Gonna be there for Jesus, know what I mean? Yeah.
I feel in me love for my G's. Still wanna ride. Always in time. Still wanna ride. Always in time.
Yeah. I've got love for my G's. Promising never to quit. To the days of my sleep. Let our memory live. Mans don't speak, man stay mute. Hash like a dog, but I'm keeping my cool. Cause it is what it is. I put it down for my G's. Fearless are my G's. We too legit to quit. Straight up love. Make more money, it's not the real deal. Love from the heart is the real deal. So I show it to my brother. Cause I love my brother. Gon' ride with my brother. Yeah.
Still wanna ride. Always in time. Still wanna ride. Always in time.
Keep riding, you know. Yeah. Focus on the future, we all make plans. Write you for life, we all give thanks. Always on the move, we don't give chance. Stack up the money in my whole life. I'm too confident, I'm blossom. Chilling with my two nigga Dixon. Serving nobody when the king's on. It is what it is. I put it down for my G's. Fearless are my G's. We too legit to quit. Shut up love. Make more money, it's not the real deal. Love that we show is the real deal.
Love from the heart, brother.
Don't show it for my brother.
Show it for my body now.
Don't ride with my brothers.
You ride with my body
Still
now.
wanna ride.
Hey.
Always in time.
Yeah. Always on time, nigga.
Still wanna ride.
Ride for my brother.
Always in time.
Hey.
Time.
Yeah, Dixon.
I feel in me love for my G's. Gon' ride.
Yeah, c'est Dixon Parker aka Super Boss. Yeah, j'aime bien me tuer parce qu'à chaque fois on se discute, on se bagarre, on arrange toujours. Parce que la vie est dure et on travaille dur pour réussir dans la vie. Et ça la famille.
We out here, you know what I mean? Showing love for our brothers, you know what I mean? Dixie, Dixon. Chris Dixon, see you.